Hey guys, Mr. Lightis here with Ben 10, Protector of Earth. It's time to move on to the Plumber Base at Mount Rushmore to hunt down Ghostfreak.
So it's confirmed. Someone's definitely stolen a null void projector.
All this high-tech equipment and you guys couldn't afford a burglar alarm? Psst, what were you guys thinking?
The plumbers have the absolute finest security systems on the planet. There's no way anything could have escaped this room without one of these keys.
Who says anything's escaped?
Apparently we got some guests. Let's say we go do some beatdowns. And apparently Ben is strong enough to destroy an entire computer by himself.
I burn like a ring of burn, baby, burn.
Oh boy. Here we go, beatdown again. Apparently the droids are back. Long time no see, droids. Okay, we'll get rid of you, and there you are. Try to get away from me, are ya? That's him taken care of. Now we can proceed. Mummy time!
Oh yeah, you got burned.
We are lost easy if the mummies weren't here. Because these mummies get on my nerves. Oh, flip. Oh, great. Flipping lasers. And tornadoes. Now I just gotta take you out. There we go. Now let's say we go up here. Get up there. Huh. Where do we go from here? Oh, I see. It's up there. Oh, flip. I pressed the wrong button. Hang on. We need wild vine. Come on. I can make it. Got it. Ben falls down.
I can short out a couple of these lasers, but you only have a moment to get past before the system recovers.
Yeah, you could give me a hand here. Okay, we're getting somewhere. There we go. Cannon bolts. And a... do I do that? So that disables the fans. Go this way and oh look!
I thought you guys would be tougher.
I'm actually surprised, Ben. You are literally beating up these werewolves yourself. Why exactly? Why are you so strong? I don't know why, but there is something seriously going on here. Alright, let's get heat bars and finish these guys off. Getting a bit sick of that. Right. Ben, if you're so kind. Okay, and up we go again. Aha! Increase the maximum health. An elevator! With apparently aliens on it. We've seen this before. Nothing surprises me here. It's an elevator with enemies ambushing us. Nothing new there. Okay, you droids can die and the mummy can die. Anyone else for a piece of fire sandwich fist? Okay, apparently we go this way. Do we? Okay, we need to go into Ben's form. Okay, where are we? Also on Mount Rushmore, apparently.
You gotta love barbecue.
Okay, now Plumber you. Yeah, apparently you can break the noses. Weird, but whatever. There we go. Let us proceed. Oh, I see power. How do we get up there? Oh, that's how. Okay. We got the card. Now we proceed. Okay. I think we need to do some of this block here, so let's get 4
Time
on.
to unleash the 4 fists of justice.
Oh, I get it. You gotta do this now. Then you go and up there, and we need Wildvine now. Bingo! We got across. Here we go this way, and up here. We're doing it! We're getting there! Oh, flip! Invincibility! Ah, sorry! I'm invincible! Ah, yeah. Wildfire! Just clobbering away! And sadly, my immunity has become powerless. Oh, power up. Let's get accelerate. Now, what we gotta do is clobber this, and in we go. Here he is.
One of the toughest creatures found on Ghostfreak's homeworld.
Yep. This is what I was saying. The last of Ghostfreak's henchmen. The werewolf, the mummy, and Victor. And these guys can really hurt.
Oh, yeah.
There we go, dealt with.
The energy conduits for those doors run through that power core. Destroy it, and you should be able to get through.
If you insist. Now this is where it gets a bit weird. You need to use cannonball to destroy these things on the wall. There we go, we destroyed those. Which means this one comes up. Okay. Go up again. Destroy those. And then that shuts that down. Opening up the next door. So now let's get my heat blaster back. And let's wreck some enemies.
That's what you get for playing with fire.
Yeah, it's pretty obvious that it's Ghostfreak at this point. I mean, let's be honest. We've been fighting pretty much mostly Ghostfreak's allies who are in the cartoon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're not much for me. Heat Blast just kicks butts. There we go. Progress. Wait, what? Oh, now we deal with the mummies. We had a room for werewolves and a room for mummies, apparently.
Yeah, you got burned.
Sometimes I wonder.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, come on, take him out. Man, do I hate these mummies. Yeah, the mummies don't seem to be stunned when Ben hits them, unlike the werewolves. Okay, next on the list, take these guys out. Okay, now for you. Okay, and now it's your turn. And another one appears. And there's another one right next to it. Next room. Now apparently they're together. Werewolves and mummies. Oh wow! Jeez! What the heck is going on? I've been really beating down these enemies now because there's a lot of them. Well, again, I've just destroyed them. That was a lot easier than I thought.
Turning up the heat blast furnace. One villain right up.
Get back here. Okay, mummy time. Wait, I see that over there. Power up. Oh boy, victors. Oh yeah, the victors can somehow they can teleport. Get my energy back. Oh, we upgraded. Okay. Cannon bolts. Just clobber these idiots. And mission complete. Awesome.
We're too late. Ghostfreak has taken the ethereal amplifier.
What's that? Some sort of supernatural stereo?
It boosts negative energy to dimensional proportions. Adapted to fit a null void projector, there's no telling how large a portal could be created. We've got to stop Ghostfreak before Vilgax gets his tentacles on that machine.
How do we stop him?
In all my years of fighting boogeymen, the best weapon has always been the same. Information.
What the heck?
We better get moving. It looks like he's headed to the Windy City.
Oh, great. Yes, we're going to chase flipping Ghostfreak again. Alright, if that's what you want to do, we go after Ghostfreak for now. Yes, he's stolen something that's going to make our job a lot more difficult. So, that's it for the Plumber Base. See you guys next time for apparently Windy City. See you guys then.